See chemiluminescence and bioluminescence. We have to see what is meant by chemiluminescence and what is meant by bioluminescence and their examples. Up till now you know photochemical reaction. In photochemical reaction, light is absorbed. This absorbed light is responsible to carry the chemical reaction. Means light absorbed is used to do reaction. Opposite to photochemical reaction means reaction takes place and light is emitted. Such reactions are chemiluminescence. समझ में आया? Chemiluminescence means what? Chemiluminescence is a reverse reaction of photochemical reaction. And what happens in chemiluminescence? Due to chemical reaction, light is emitted. Such reactions are chemical reaction. In day-to-day life, you know the firework, that is welding work. There is a chemical reaction, and due to the chemical reaction there is a emission of light. That is the peculiar or one of the particular example of chemiluminescence. Again, you may take example of a phosphorus. You know, when a yellow phosphorus come in contact with oxygen, yellow phosphorus when come in contact with oxygen, or one can say air, at a temperature of a -10 degree to 40 degree Celsius, then what happens? It is converted into P2O5, phosphorus pentaoxide. Here there is a emission of light. Light is emitted there. That's why this reaction, conversion of yellow phosphorus into phosphorus pentaoxide in the presence of oxygen at -10 to 40 degrees Celsius, this conversion causes the emission of light. It is the best example of which chemiluminescence. Again, second example, you know, fireflies, that is, उसको बोलते हैं अपन fireflies को जुगनू. Fireflies, जुगनू. In Marathi it is called as kazwa. What happens in fireflies? In fireflies there is one chemical in the lower abdomen of these fireflies, that is called as luciferin. This luciferin get oxidized and it gives a luciferase, and there is a emission of light. In the night, if we saw these fireflies, sometimes there is a light, that is emission of light is there. जुगनू रात में देखे तो वहां पर अपने को लाइट चमकता हुआ दिखता है. वो लाइट काय के वजह से होता है? वहां पर लुसिफेरिन नाम का उनका एक प्रोटीन होता है लोअर एब्डोमेन में, उसका ऑक्सीडेशन होके लुसिफेरस में कन्वर्ट होता है और लाइट इमिट होता है. तब ये रिएक्शन फायरफ्लाइज की, कन्वर्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन लुसिफेरिन इनटू इट्स लुसिफेरस with emission of light is again the best example of chemiluminescence. Now further, bioluminescence. Now see second type, that is bioluminescence and its example. Bioluminescence and example. In order to अंडरस्टैंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी. बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस ये केमील्यूमिनेसेंस होता है, सिर्फ ख्याल में रखो ये नेचुरल केमील्यूमिनेसेंस मतलब बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस. नेचुरल मीन्स जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिएक्शन बताते हैं कि उसमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है और लाइट इमिट होता है, दैट इज बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस. अगेन बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस, fireflies gives light, conversion of luciferin into luciferous. This is again the best example of this bioluminescence. Okay, now again beside this, you know, there are some other living organisms. We can say that addition to these fireflies, anglerfish, which anglerfish and other creatures also emits light during certain reaction in their in these creatures. Such reactions are also bioluminescence. Now these bioluminescence are nothing but the chemiluminescence, but only the bioluminescence given by the living organism.